Okay, hi everybody. We're in Danny Z's room. Hi Danny Z. We're currently just set up the Richard Burns Rally demo, which is just Richard Burns as it came out of the box with one car on one stage, Hardwood Forest in Great Britain with the 04 Subaru, which appears to be like the car Raman Alagaman drove. Anyway, I'm driving now with the Thrustmaster wheels set up at 540, and I've never really driven Richard Burns Rally with a wheel before. I've actually just played it with an Xbox controller most of my life. And I've also been playing RSRBR. Oh boy. This is just kind of the original physics out of the box, which I still think, being that they're a little bit more flamboyant and aggressive, much more aggressive than Dirt Rally, where you want to just kind of keep the wheels straight. I think they're a lot more accurate in terms of having to know where the weight of the car is and where you need to put your wheel and how you move that weight. Where in Dirt Rally you basically could just try to brake and turn and not make many mistakes. With this, you really have to enter the turn with the car set up for the turn on the brake and whatnot. Quite a bit more than the Codemasters games, but I think that's pretty hard for a lot of people to grasp, which is why this game really didn't do well, but it has a cult following. So here's jump, boom. Oh boy, get on the brake. There we go. Just keep it straight. Keep it straight. Woo! The next generation physics in the game, I think, kind of calm down all of these like abrupt bumps and hits, and kind of make the car, the wheels spin a little bit more. It has a little bit less grip. Into some like tighter threes. I mean, you just like really can lay the car out in a slide, where in dirt you just can't seem to do that. The cars just grip and want to get around everything, but the only way to get the car to grip around this game is if you really set the car up properly, and you can easily overcook it, which in Dirt Rally I feel like you can't. Alright, straight line braking. Oh, don't get loose. Yep, a little too inside there. Coming down to the final part of the stage, on the left and right. Being quiet here because I really want to get this time, see where I am with the wheel compared to what I can do. Oh, pretty good. 331, 334. It's like my all-time record on that stage. It's about 8 seconds quicker than that. That's pretty good with just fooling around with the wheel for the first time. So I can be quick with a wheel. That's cool.